Hey, have you ever dreamed of being an herbalist? Right? You're like, wow, that'd be so awesome to like take my own health into my hands and all that kind of stuff, right? But all too often you're probably met with self-doubt, right? Like you hear all these inner voices and these outer voices and you're super overwhelmed. I have to take a course, I have to know this, I have to do that before I can even make something like a cup of tea. First of all, you are absolutely smart enough to do this, and I don't want you to listen to a single word of anyone, including yourself, that tells you otherwise, because it's bullshit. Quite frankly, it is. Also, here are some important things that I think you should know. Number one, you do not have to come from some long-ass line of healers. What my grandmother knew, what my great-grandmother, what my family knew 10 plus generations back does not validate my knowledge. You can be the first person in your line to start learning about herbs, and you are just as valid of an herbalist as somebody who's got 10 generations behind them, okay? Number two, how you dress, how you look, what culture you're from, doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't make you any more of or any less of an herbalist. Be whoever you want to be, look however you want to look, alright? Into that. Number three, you don't have to pay for your knowledge to be valid, right? Somebody takes a course, that's fine, but it does not make them more capable or knowledgeable. Number four, I believe that you're smart enough. I really do. You are smart enough.